Here we come to the elevator at the university store at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. Gotta talk over the music. It's got a GAL elevator. I'm not sure what brand this is. But look at this decorative cab. Wow, look at this. This is a nice decorative elevator. Look at this. This is amazing. Get a picture of that. Let's see what year this thing was installed. It was installed in 1993. I have no idea what brand this is. Alright, let's count to 2 and 2R. The emergency light is on. Does it see the brand up there? Nope. There's no brand on there. No brand down there either. One is locked. Now going up, listen to this motor. Here we go. Now this is what I call a nice find. A decorative cab plus an epic motor. There it goes. And that will be it.